అందరికీ ఒకసారి నమస్కారం. ఐఎమ్ ప్రొఫెసర్ నారాయణ రెడ్డి, డైరెక్టర్, నేషనల్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఆఫ్ టూరిజం అండ్ హాస్పిటాలిటీ మేనేజ్మెంట్. Sudha Kumar, Professor Sudha Kumar, Principal, School of Hospitality, and my other senior colleagues of the institute, and my dear reporters. I, on behalf of National Institute of Tourism and Hospitality Management, would like to address certain issues on the occasion of the institute celebrating 10th year. That is what decennial celebrations of NITM is being organized this year. So, on behalf of my chairperson, Srimati Chandana Khan, and my colleagues and governing body members of the institute, I would like to share certain activities of our institute, what we have been doing in the last 10 years on the occasion of decennial celebrations of the institute. What are the new initiatives that the governing council has decided to introduce for the next academic year? So these are some of the things which I would like to share with all of you. Dear friends, NITM is an institute jointly established by Government of India and Government of Andhra Pradesh, mainly aimed at to professionalize the tourism and hospitality sectors in the country. As we all know very well that tourism and hospitality in general is an unorganized sector all this time. Now, tourism and hospitality slowly and steadily emerged as an important sector after the agriculture sector in terms of generation of income, employment and growth of the economy. Now you also have recognized that every daily newspaper is coming out with a special feature one day in a week about the tourism and hospitality related activities. Therefore, there is a need to professionalize the tourism and hospitality sector. Therefore, this institute is mainly aimed to fill the gap that is there in the society by supplying high quality human resource to manage the tourism and hospitality sector. From this angle, NITM is offering academic activities, mainly academic programs like MBA Tourism and Hospitality, BBA Tourism and Hospitality, BHMCT and BSc Hotel Management courses all this time. In addition to offering postgraduate and degree programs, the institute is offering consultancy services related to tourism and hospitality, conducting extensive research services, and also the project management related activities. Basically, these are the four important activities that the institute has been offering all this time. Now, after having enough experience of a decade, we thought of offering the specializations in the sector. Particularly, present program is MBA Tourism and Hospitality. Based on the interest and passion of the students, this year we have decided to offer postgraduate diploma in tourism and travel management equivalent to MBA, recognized by AICT New Delhi. Similarly, we are offering from this academic year MBA Hospitality in association with JNTU Hyderabad University. In addition to these 3 PG programs and 3 undergraduate programs, we are also offering certificate programs related to tourism and hospitality. Certificate program in event management, certificate program in art appreciation, certificate program in Ayurveda Panchakarma therapy, and a certificate program in rural tourism. These are the 3 months to 6 months certificate programs that we have been offering already. From this year onwards, as there is a huge gap, particularly in the field of archaeology and conservation of monuments of entire Andhra Pradesh, we have decided to offer 3 month certificate program in heritage conservation and management. Similarly, 1 year PG diploma in heritage conservation and management. These are the other two programs. The next level programs are short-term programs, where Government of India is extensively sponsoring number of programs, particularly skill development programs, where 2 months program in food production, 6-week programs in hospitality, particularly housekeeping, and 6 weeks program in servicing. These are the other 3 important short-term programs, but skill development programs, where the people who fail to build their career in the regular stream because of various reasons, thousands of people fail to grow in that process. For them, we have to build alternative career opportunities. From this angle, Government of India recognized, and NITIM is recognized as an important center to train the people on these areas. I am proud to say that the NITIM topped number 1 in the country in training huge number of youngsters in this particular area. And from the next academic year onwards, we are focusing on postgraduate diploma in tourism and travel management and MBA hospitality. And maybe the next year, in the days to come, we are also having an exclusive program, Bachelor of Tour and Travel Management, also in the next academic year. So broadly, these are the important programs that we are organizing. My request to all of you is that this is a government institution. We are mainly serving the society in a broad spectrum. I request all of you to help us and join us in promoting the professionalization of tourism and hospitality education, not only in the state but also in the country. Because in the days to come, India will definitely become the major attraction in terms of attracting the number of tourists and also making the special efforts, and by virtue of making the entire country as a destination in the eastern part of the world. So by inviting, by encouraging, or by attracting more and more number of visitors to the country, will make the economy much more vibrant in terms of generating more number of job opportunities and growth of the economy.